Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy, and welcome to the Marina West in Hawaii Kai. We don't often think about this neighborhood as a community, but it is an association. We're at the park, Marina West Park, which is just for this 60-member association. These homes, many of them are one story. There's some two stories here. They were mostly built in the 1980s, around 1980. There's a number on the water, I don't know, perhaps about 20 of the 60 that were built in the 70s. But this is a wonderful, secluded neighborhood. Many of the homes have been remodeled, some have been torn down and totally rebuilt. And it's just off Hawaii Kai Drive, so it's very, very convenient to everything. So what's going on around here with real estate in this quiet neighborhood? There's actually one on the market now. It's on the marina, 3.5 million. We're not close to it. It's on Idaho. There's about three or four streets in here. Idaho is the major one. And then there's Kaiolahia Place and Way, where we're on right now. In the past, there have been a number of sales. These interior go for about 1.6 million if they're nicely done, or a little more. As always, we love to hear from you. Give us a call, 808-358-8828. Reach out on social media or our website, hawaiishome.com. And aloha.